Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we're going to be unboxing the Orgon 6020-120 hydraulic assist chainsaw grinder. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. Tater wants to see as well. Alright, so the first thing we get here is the instruction manual. Next, here we have, I believe this is all the accessories. And then here is the grinder itself. Here's some more accessories. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to take the grinder out of the box and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back. So here's the grinder itself. This is how you get in, I believe, to the wheel. Here is the handle. Then there's a gauge for the different chains and the wheel. And then over here, I believe we have the 3 different size wheels for the different size chains. And then this is just a box.